Rigathi wa Gachagua umenyeti wa ligi yako please na koro ni niwe no gukira ingikira kuona ri Wanja Asali ona eno arikia guka muno ici no imwe wa cigo na iria mwini Wanja Asali arathie na mbere iria irathie gukoro igitrend guku nenda-ini cio kinyaniria ni arikitie ni aikia akura agicigo kia Mount Kenya kana mashabiki make thutha wa Wanja Asali gukoro akiaria miario miuru na iria irikitie gukoro igituthura gicanjama guku nenda-ini miario na iria irokirira mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Indi itana kumenyithia ndeto ino na gicanjama giki uria giikarite na ni ati kurathie na mbere gitikiria tu tafadhali ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo gi-subscribe thini wa channel ino itu na please ndugakorwo kiriganiro gukirwo kihinyaga kiengere niguo kamukagira mohoro kiro wa mbere hindi ciothe riria twagukorwo tugigwikirira maria maragikorwo magithie na mbere gukorwo makihanika kana ona hihi gukorwo magikunuka guku thini wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya. Thutha wa Aini gucera kuria kwa deputy president mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki thiku cigana na hituku muthenya wa ira mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Gachagua ni arakorirwo akiaria ndeto icio na arakorwo akira Aini acio makiri kuria Karen kwa Kithure Kindiki ni wega metikire gukorwo makihoya muhera kuri mashabiki mao kana andu a gicigo kia Mount Kenya kana okorwo ti uguo magieterere makorwo makiona gicigo kia Mount Kenya gitire koragwo githikiriria nyimbo ciao kana korwo akiuga ati maga gukorwo makihoya muhera ona irabu ni wega itigagekoragwo ikimahe wira mainage ku na andu a kirima na makorwo no makorirwo unsubscribe thini wa channel kana YouTube channel na platforms yao. Ici ni imwe wa ciugo cia Rigathi wa Gachagua kiugo na nini ni gukorwo ngikuot. Our biggest problem as the Mount Kenya region is betrayal. I saw some artists meeting Mr. Yes Sir. I met with the elders and they have sent me with a warning. Those artists must apologize or will not stop listening to their music. The entertainment joints where they perform we also ban them and Kenyans will unsubscribe from their platforms. Ni ciugo cia mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuria korirwo akira Aini. Our biggest problem as the Mount Kenya region is betrayal. I saw some artists meeting Mr. Yes Sir. I met with the elders and they have sent me with a warning. Those artists must apologize or we will stop listening to their music. The entertainment joints where they perform we also ban them and Kenyans will unsubscribe from their platforms. Ciugo ici cia Rigathi wa Gachagua itikinetie Aini aingi na aria mari kuria kwa deputy president Kithure Kindiki Karen na umwe wa Aini acio matakenete ni mwini ugwitwo Wanja Asali thutha wake wa Gachagua kuruta warning hiyo. Na kuria Wanja Asali ni arakorirwo na kuria mundu ugwitwo Wanja Asali ni arakorirwo agitengera na arakorwo akiaria ciugo ici na ni ni gukorwo ngicikut ino niyo quote ya Wanja Asali. Black man with a black heart ni athie aikorwo akiandiko black man with a black heart ni athie na ni ciugo iria a Kenya maraikorwo maginyitithania na mundu ugwitwo Gachagua ono Gachagua ni muiru na Wanja Asali araikorwo akiuga ena ngoro njiru. Kaundu gaka ni kararakite a Kenya na njira nene muno makiria. Ciugo icio nguhe cia mundu ugwitwo Wanja Asali kuona andu aingi ni makioi no Wanja Asali arakiuga ena ngoro njiru na agakorwo hakimwira akorwo agithie aniarikitie gukorwo igitrend na gututhura gicanjama kinene muno guku nenda-ini kuona andu aingi ni mokirire mundu ugwitwo Wanja na njira nene muno makiria na nie ni ngukut andu maiganona na uria mathiete na mbere gukorwo makiumira kana magikorwo makiruma mundu ugwitwo Wanja Asali ni gukorwo arakiruma mundu ugwitwo Gachagua arita uyu erite mwini Wanja Asali uyu. Gikuyu ndumiriri cia Kenyans na magijela zakawa Wanja silence is the best weapon. Mama hakuna mwingine naona akibishana na mafans wake. Try your lelo hawa tu mnarushana manenos ndio wanakupatianga unga. You went there Karen once na hujui utaitwa tena lini. Ndukarume guoko kuria gukuheaga ngima wa mami wikire na uririkane you are fearfully and wonderfully made. And Juliet Kamau stopped acting like it doesn't hurt you. We know it does. Take your time to heal. Na mundu wetu 789 TTP akago your music career may come to an end. Politics is a dirty game. Na Timothy Monyori akauga if I were you ningenyamaza tu. I don't know who you are talking about. That man is not your league. Na mundu wetu Prince John akaga hundi tunataka wenewe ogothie na mundu ugwitwo Jane Muthoni akoga but aki ukweli Mungu ni wa ajabu since aliona hakuna kitu mzuri angekupatia uye akikuatha aikuhegeheo kia wini tondu mahwe Ngai ari munogu fiu nginya hakuhi anga notha waigwirirwo mutumia wina muno atagacuku na mundu ugwitwo Viewpoint Electronic akoga thiukamie na Janet Peters akoga this one will mess up everything na mundu ugwitwo Matis akawa Kindiki will remain DP with all his retirement benefits, lakini nyinyi mmeisha hivyo yu hamtumiange akili, hivyo ndivyo mlichezwa. Na Stone Wero Mugo akawa you are trending on dangerous ground, achana na mzee kabisa. Na Kirinyaga Superstars akawa Mugwi na Labalkaz akawa huwezani Regiji is a movement by himself, mtagoja sana one time. Na Anthony Wawiroka you are too mouthy na mundu ugwitwo Geshuhi Kinyajui akauga before I speak a word I'm not a fan of Mugithi because Mugithi artists are the laziest caliber I have ever seen. They lack authenticity, they don't respect the owners of the song they perform. I have noticed that they are very wise. A very unwise woman read the mood of your fans and engage in them in a respectable manner. Without them you are nobody. Value them, assume they boycott your shows, utaimbia nani tutam. Don't insult your fans because of Karen or Monyoro. After 2027 the two gentlemen will be dining together. Wewe utabaki na your fans wenye utakutana tu sahi. Read the room in Murima and ask for knowledge and wisdom from your God because you got none. Na modo ogwito Masters Kivis Holdings akawa Brian Karanja looking at how what that man is telling us to hate our own musician. Man no way kuwatusi nayo sitnita watusi, lakini no way I'm hating the people we have built. Sasa nisiposikiza nyimbo za Kanono Gachagua ataniimbia kweli. They did bad and most of them have said sorry. Na Maureen Morugia kwa wanja ni kibe cha ajabu. Na modo owetwo Richard Kaharaka how can't we blackmail this kind of objects like Wanja so she can be a lesson to others. Na Honorable Charlene Wamboi Maina kaga modo oguthuire no tamurogi ashindwe. Na wagarika Kamau akauga ona mali safi chito arioku riu athaithanaga andu mathikiririe nyimbo ciake. Na modo ogwetwo Betty Kafirwa at times education is important in this life. Imagine reasoning with the kind of illiteracy kiumbe cha ajabu. Na Jenny Kalshi akaoga wanjani kama kwa hii email ya juzi utabaki peke yako. Unaona Sabido na 90k chenye wamefanya. I hope the boat you have chosen doesn't sink, and if it does I hope the people you stand with will come to save you. Chaos. Na Josee Julius akaoga ni woka muno leo na boro bae haru na kawa kumbe uko so cheap hivyo ndio maana kila mtu huwa ananyolewa hadi zimelegea. Unajaribu kutafuta watu wa kushikilia kwenda huko. Na Alice Wabo yakawa Kenwa Bage tamuka wasifu giko. Na Grace Waifoshi akaoga Lotto Tank heshima muhimu, work out on yourself kwanza Jemoniu. Na modo owetwo David Masharia aka you cannot win this beyond your control. As long as you are an artist, listen to your followers. Without them you are no more. Please stop boasting. Na Lucy Wambo akisanimiwa YouTube kiburi taisha. Wenye mtaona hii comment na mmesubscribe and then mwansubscribe the sub na hapa mwanfollow pia. Na Mikinga ngakawa soyo. Na Suwamrugia huyu Wanja ameenda sana, wengine wamekimya na yeye anaendelea tu. Na modo ogwitwo Pauline K San akawa kioria kira ligithio ne Kikuyu nikio kireregea. Na don't burn the bridges just because of 50k. Hawa mafans ndio wamekujengea, maybe utawahitaji tena. Kindiki hata kuwa trend carefully. Na John Tikishoke akawa Kimbotogi kia Goma. Na Simon Mwangi akawa affordable stomach. Na Senior Sheriff Henley akawa let's unsubscribe from this whole YouTube. Na modo ogwitwo some cheese aikia domiriria kauga I think you should do your thing without assault. Just think about tomorrow. Even that person you are calling black man was once there. if they got rid of him, what about you? Just know you are nobody to them. And as a matter of fact, one day you need your followers eat money in silence. Kama washo baka ukawe na nilasi akamsibishana na hii evidence. Kitu mzuri ni msalimia YouTube kidogo ndo ajue Kenya tianyo kwa na Gladys Maina kawa kumbe 50k ilikuwa na joto yake. Haya huko liko mwagi wa Mohoro ni Ngongoyo na gitio kinene ugitikire uko subscribe ine wacha neno itu nigetho kamukagira Mohoro kirwa mbere indi ciothe riria maikoro maikunuka guku thiini wa nenda ici citu cio kinyaniria.